Just left AutoZone, picked up some spray paint and a clay bar kit. We're gonna get to work on the G today. Probably won't get to use this, but I'll show what this is for.
Trying to hide the chicken wire a little bit.
That layer first, I guess.
Flipped them over, gave them a good coat.
Good flip, good spray.
Let them bake for a little bit. Maybe one more coating and they're gonna be set.
Got the chicken wire sprayed black. And then you go in the vent of the new skirts. We kind of got them just snugged in the door right now, no hardware holding it up, so it's kind of drooped. But it goes in that vent hole. It's pretty darn good. About to fit up the other side now. Out here cancer maxing in the garage, spray painting, and then cutting fiberglass, probably like 4 feet apart from each other. So,
What do you gotta do? That's what Saturdays are for,
that's
right?
what Saturdays are for. Getting cancer. Oh, damn.
Knocking up, mounting up.
Sweet.
New inbox side skirt under trays from Origin Lab, of course.
But I do have Origin ones coming too.
Yeah,
This shit reeks.
they're actually from Chile. Also, peep the fan filter. Tight spaces here. We're making it work. And just like that, we got some zip tie master techs in the building, and look at this. I mean, can it get any better?
There's just a little crack there though.
Oh. No, it's just the top layer of whatever that black paint is, probably they put.
Let me sand that down smooth and do something.
This part could be more flush, but this is at least like even all the way through.
Yeah, it's a less of a gap than on the last skirt, so.
But that rear
upset.
looks so good.
Yeah, that was so bad on the last ones.
And it's literally,
Oh my gosh.
it's literally a zip tie that goes through like that. That holds it.
Nice. New side skirts are on both sides. We get the baseboards drying in the black paint right now. You go on the underside as some under trays. Try to make it look more aggressive. Cheap redneck method, but whatever, son. Type shit. We're gonna wait to put these on until the front Origin ones are on, so we can adjust the depth to match. But coming along. Part 2 complete. We can check off the skirts off this list. And that's it for now. I think next week we're gonna be dealing with the mirrors. Maybe the wheels. We'll see. Maybe the doors. Stay tuned.
Well, I hate to break it to you, kid, but we're all just making it up as we go along. So don't be so hard on yourself.